So now you've built your container with native plants. It's been outside for a few weeks, it's filled in, it's looking really good. So now it's time to take photos. I have a couple tips for you to help your entries, and hopefully you can win a new container and some new plants from proven winners. So first off, it's overcast right now, it's cloudy, and it's a really good time to photograph your container. Full sun, you get a lot of highlights, a lot of deep dark shadows, and sometimes it doesn't show off the container that well. So if it's overcast out, it's a great time to shoot. Another thing, if the sun is out and it's midday, that's horrible, but you can get some really nice light like early in the morning or late in the day when the light's lower, the sun is like lower in the sky, so it's not creating those deep shadows, and you get maybe some nice rim light. So look for it early in the morning, late at night, just not midday sun. Overcast is perfect. Okay, so tip number 2, check your background. If you can set your container so it's isolated and it's not in a busy background and there's not a lot going on, and the container will separate from the background, it'll really highlight your container, and you can see your plant material won't get lost with like other plant material in the back. A third tip I have is most of you will be taking photos on your phone, I'm sure. So when I shoot container like this with my phone, I put it on portrait mode. What portrait mode does is it isolates the container and it separates it from the background. It blurs the background, so it really makes the container stand out. Okay, here's another tip. A lot of times when you're photographing, people will just stand right here, this angle, easy. But I want you to move around, like get down, check different angles, things like that. So boom, and always be conscious of the background when you're doing this. So your background will change from here to here, but so make sure your container is situated right. Some light's going to be coming this way in the evening, this way in the morning. So be conscious of that, but always check your background, but move around, have a little fun. So good luck out there shooting your containers, and I can't wait to see your entries.